Yukon's propulsion lineup expands for 2021, as drivers can also select an available all-new 3.0L inline-6 turbo diesel engine. The new diesel builds on GMC's expertise with Duramax turbo diesels offered in Sierra, Sierra HD, and Canyon models. Yukon and Yukon XL drivers will have their choice among three engine options, highlighted by an all-new version of the lauded 6.2L V8 engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, more than any competitor. The standard engine is an all-new 5.3L V8. The 5.3L and 6.2L engines feature stop-start technology and new dynamic fuel management that enables the engine to operate on 2 to 8 cylinders, depending on demand, to optimize